Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been months and months and months, but I did miss you guys, and I thank you guys for hanging in there with me as we go through this crazy pandemic. My life has been absolutely hectic, more so busy than anything. But today I just want to do something, have a little me time to myself. My skin has been breaking out really, really bad, so I decided to take you guys with me. I'm going to go get a facial. I'm actually running late, but going to go get a facial today, and I want to bring you guys along with me so that way you can experience it with me and do something other different than makeup. The most important key to good makeup is to have good skin, okay? I just want to go get that taken care of. I want to have a couple things treated today. I want to target specific issues or problems that I think I'm having with my face, get a consultation, see what I need done. Stay tuned, follow me, and let's go. So today for my facial, I decided to go with KaiSkincare. I did my online pictures that I submitted for my online consultation. I liked what she had on her menu as far as what I felt like the facials that would suit my needs. As you can see here, this is the first cleanse of my facial. This is just cleanse number one. Of course, just to get my skin clean and ready for the treatments that are about to come. What I really liked about my facial that I received from Asia was that she did a double cleanse. So this way we get to make sure that my skin is squeaky clean and ready. That way I can absorb all the product that for the following treatments that she was about to apply. And that way, actually, you know, the products get to get in and work and do its thing. So I really, really like the double cleanse facial. So the next procedure that you're about to see after my double cleanse is the diamond microdermabrasion. It's one of the most effective ways to fight the effects of aging. And then what it does is eventually over time it provides a more youthful appearance. Tell us what we're doing now.
So this is the hydrating mask that I do after the microdermabrasion. I'm gonna steam it, kind of saturate the skin, and do some extractions out. Yay!
Here you can see she is just doing a few little extractions. Now, the next part that you're about to see coming up, I'm really excited about this. This is the LED light therapy. According to dermatologists, the benefits of LED light therapy are manifold. This includes treating acne. This is good for natural oil production, stimulating collagen, elastin, and minimizing redness and wrinkles. Here you can see that she is just getting my skin ready and prepping my face for my 24 karat gold mask. What does this do for the skin?
So this is an anti-aging mask. So it helps remove any, it basically helps brighten, tighten the skin. I'm also gonna do another mask on top of this that goes together And it also helps firm the skin, brightening it as well.
Yay.
I'm just gonna massage this into the skin.
And this is called what?
This Alaskan sheep placenta mask. So it helps brighten, tighten the skin.
Smells good.
Yes. So I'm gonna put this on and then it's gonna peel off.
After the mask was applied, I did sit with it on my face for like 15 minutes, and then she just cleaned it off, and then she added my moisturizer, massaged it in very well. She added a little bit of eye cream. To hydrate my eyes, keep my eyes looking young and youthful, tight and hydrated. And then she set me with a facial essence spray. And then last but not least, to wrap up my treatment, she gave me a very nice conditioning lip gloss or lip conditioner. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I do have more on the way. I will see you very, very soon. I promise, in my next video.